How to fix Marvel Rivals error DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DirectX is not supported on your system error while launching Marvel Rivals. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your settings and go to Windows Update. Check for updates and make sure your system is fully up to date. Next, press Windows plus X on your keyboard and click on Device Manager. Now expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your GPU and select Update Driver. You can also go to your GPU manufacturer's official website and download the latest drivers manually. Once that's done, open Steam. Right-click on Marvel Rivals like I am right-clicking on this game in your library, and click Properties. Under Launch Options, type DX12 and close the window. Now try launching the game. If that doesn't work, go back to Launch Options and replace it with D3D11. Then try launching the game again. After that, relaunch Marvel Rivals and the error should be fixed. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick fixes. That's all for the video and see you in the next one.